The worst snowstorm in decades has swept across Japan, killing 13 people and injuring more than 1,500. The storm dumped 13 inches of snow on an area, parts of which were devastated by the tsunami in March 2011. This is the heaviest fall recorded here in 78 years. Commuters struggled on. Flights at Narita International Airport were stuck at the weekend, and transport links to downtown Tokyo were badly affected. While a little help went a long way as these school kids moved their teacher's car. More than 20,000 homes were left without electricity after strong winds took down power lines. But while the snowdrifts and frozen slush clogged the roads, a thaw is expected soon, while thankfully financial markets have opened normally.